have a highlight item. I like to break these down where each little token that's highlighted where you can click is really its own true or false question. And the question here is, what findings are associated with peripheral arterial disease? So I start by asking myself, hey, what does that do to the body? I know arteries go away from the heart and bring oxygen out to the body. So if they have disease, I'm not getting enough blood flow out to the tissues. So I'll just look at each of these highlighted phrases and ask myself, hey, if I wasn't getting enough blood out to the tissues, would I see this? If the answer is yes, I'll click it. If not, I'll move on. First, intermittent pain in the legs and with walking, and that improves with rest. Yeah, if I'm walking around and not getting enough blood, they're gonna hurt. And then when I rest and pop my feet up, it will get better. We call this claudication, and this is a key finding in PAD. Now, if I wasn't getting enough blood out with PAD, would my lower extremities be thin, shiny, and hairless? Yeah, I'm not getting enough blood flow. They're not doing what they need to do. Would I have bilateral +2 pitting edema though? No, that is a problem with venous return. Remember, the arteries bring the blood and the veins take it away. So if I had a problem with my veins, I wouldn't be getting that blood back to the heart, and then I'd see pitting edema. So not gonna click this one. Pedal pulses are weak bilaterally. Would those pulses get weaker if my arteries aren't bringing blood down to my feet? Yeah, they absolutely would. Click it. Next question. Would we have numbness and tingling? Yeah, not getting blood down there, they're gonna be numb and tingly. What about skin being brown and thickened? Again, that's gonna be a finding with a venous disorder where we've got all that congestion, blood is down there and it can't get back because we have a problem with the veins. Also notice opposites can't attract. We already picked here lower extremities thin, shiny, hairless. So we're not gonna say, oh, they're also brown and thickened. We can't have both true at the same time. Thin, shiny, hairless, that means blood can't get down there. Brown, thickened, that means blood is stuck and not getting back. That's a venous problem. Lastly, if we had trouble with our arteries delivering that oxygen, would we see a cap refill less than 2 seconds? No, that's normal, so don't click it. Each of those were their own little question, and boom, you just finished a highlight question.